a very high possibility that I don't even make it onto the Sydney flights tomorrow.
Josh's flight has gotten cancelled, which in turn means Boa's flight has gotten cancelled.
I'm never going home.
What do people do? I don't know. You're the vlogger. Am I meant to just... Let's go.
Vlogception.
Yeah, okay.
I'm vlogging the vlog who's vlogging me.
Real.
Does that mean you're a vlog? We just landed in Melbourne. We're in Ads's car. He did provide waters. Look at this. He's such a good host. Yeah, like he's chat hydrate.
What is...
I don't know what to say.
We're in peak Melbourne, man. This is, I mean, look at that. The chicken salad. Dude. If you're hungry, you've come to the right spot. Plan is simple. We go to Chadstone. We go to my place. Then we go to the Airbnb. Then we go to Taylor. Should be good.
He's done.
Yeah. Welcome to my Airbnb in Chelsea. Joshy's here as well, and Boa, but don't tell Tate.
Bye.
All right, there's the young woman.
Okay, in all fairness, I don't really know how to wear things that are Taylor Swift like, so I got red lipstick because that's what my sister told me to do. Looks a little odd. About 12:30 and we've decided that we're going to watch a movie and get drunk, except responsibly.
So the plan is, we're meeting Pyro, Maddie, Tate, Linku, Artemis, Caboodle, and Co. Sorry. Cool Tate doesn't know that this person is here, Boru. And then Josh and I are ditching the entire group to watch the biggest nerd film ever. A double screening of Blade Runner. It will be the best thing ever. God, I'm so excited.
Hey guys, I'm here with famous streamer Boa.
Yeah! Shots with the game! Yeah! Rate the day out of 10.
I tell you what, it's been an 11 because there was a surprise appearance from Boa.
Hello, you can't even see me right now. You can't see my face. Get funked, audience, alright? You can't see me. And you can, you know what I look like. Chat. You have no idea what I look like, chat.
I've had
such a fun day because I got to see all my friends and also Cool Taters here. Sorry, wait, I'm so distracted. I've just found like steak flavored chips. My day just got so much better.
That's kind of slay.
They're like onion and those going in the basket.
Bye.
Bags.
Bags?
Melbourne. Let's go to a cafe by the beach.
Madam Web has cursed us. Her web connects us all, and it's connected us with fucking despair and misery. Dude. Fuck, man. We stepped out of Madam Web, got in the car. Yeah, exactly. She said it. Our life changed for the worse. Josh's flight has gotten cancelled, which in turn means Boa's flight has gotten cancelled.
Because every single flight this evening is being cancelled, there's a very high possibility that I don't even make it onto the Sydney flights tomorrow.
We may as well go to the airport, see if they'll give me accommodation overnight, and check out the car hire places and see.
Hopefully they get a fucking accommodation there. They stay the night there, and then hopefully get a flight next day. That did not work. They told Josh to fuck off. No accommodation, no car. Well, the car is there, it just costs $1,000. And we're back here, just the exact same spot. Any plans? Any ideas?
Well, my first try, we're gonna try Maddie. We're gonna see if she
Maddie Milkberry, everybody.
is charitable enough to take us in. Our poor little souls. All right,
chat.
let's give it a go.
Hello.
Hi, Maddie. How you doing?
I'm good. What's wrong with you?
So funny story. I'm still in Melbourne.
You what?
Do tell her the best bit.
So basically, I'm still in Melbourne.
Right. Okay.
So Joshy and I can't get back to Sydney because it's bad weather and they've cancelled all the flights.
Every single flight, dude.
Oh my god, you
Every
need to
single
stay at ours tonight. Just make your way to Chadston Mall because that's where we are. We're gonna be bowling, so by the
Oh my
time
god,
you get there, you
slay.
can just join us for bowling and then
Okay.
Dude, so good.
Wow.
We were at Chadston Mall.
Boy, am I glad that Qantas cancelled the flight.
I want to see
We missed you guys too much. The universe pushed us back together.
We made it out of the
Yay.
phone call. I'll be honest, I could not hear anything you were saying.
I just completely. We were standing outside like, oh, we need to call someone.
I just had like, I'm still in Melbourne. It's okay, we're going bowling now.
Yeah,
All
bowling,
good.
we're coping. Yay! Strike.
All you need to do to Boru is subscribe.
I didn't pay her to say that. It's crazy.
Not yet.
Something like 7:30 or something. And we just called an Uber to the airport. And I'm probably gonna have to sit at the airport waiting for a flight. But that's fine. It's fine.
Hope not. Back in Sydney.